Introducing STAGIL Navigation for Jira. Make Jira navigation your own. STAGIL Navigation for Jira lets you customize your top navigation bar. You can add custom icons for each drop-down menu, change the color of the bar, hide items that are unnecessary for you, or rename them to create your own menu entries. The menu entries can be either based on JQL queries or external links that direct you straight to your Confluence pages, SharePoints, or whatever link you type in. Make Jira your starting point for accessing everything that you use on a daily basis. Say hello to a clean, focused navigation bar. Personalize the appearance for different user groups, ensuring everyone gets what they need. You have the power to control who sees what. By allowing or blocking specific users or groups, you have full control over access to different menu entries. Here's what we've created for our HR department. They need to be able to see very different processes and issues than your development team needs to see. Let's begin by adding essential HR menus. We start with vacations. Our HR team wants to see current, upcoming, and requested vacations. Let's add a new navigation item and name it Current Vacations. We choose JQL as our type because all our vacations are Jira issues. The allow list should be set to the HR team, as they are the ones who should see this menu item. In the configuration, we can enter the required JQL. In addition, we created upcoming vacations and vacation requests for approval and saved the results. HR can now see all three sub-navigation items under their vacations entry. Sick leaves, on and off boarding, and new applicants also fall under the responsibility of our HR department. Now that our HR team is happy with the navigation menu, we do the same for our management team. They need quick access to project management, portfolio roadmaps, budgets, risk assessments, and capacity and resources. With STAGIL Navigation, top-level executives like CEOs can have a streamlined, customized workspace providing quick access to critical information. It's about empowering leadership and enhancing decision-making. Ready to make Jira work for you? Download STAGIL Navigation now and take control of your Jira experience. Got questions? Reach out to our support team. Our team is here to help you with configuration and support.